Now let's go through getting started with Google Calendar. So to log into Google Calendar, you can click on the waffle button and press Calendar. Or the second way you can log in is type in calendar.google.com into the address bar. And now we're logged into Calendar. So this is what it looks like. Let's go through the interface. On the left-hand side here, we have the Create button to create new events. Underneath that, we have the monthly view, so you can easily and quickly scroll through each month. Let's go back to December. In the Meet With section, this allows you to quickly search for colleagues and check their calendar to see when they're available. Let's type in Nestor, and you can see his calendar pop up. Then we have My Calendars, which are a bunch of your calendars that you've set, and also Other Calendars, which is Google's automatic calendars with holidays and things like that. Up the top here, the two arrows allow you to scroll through the weeks, because I've got mine set on week view, so I can scroll through the next week, January, February, etc. And then this button, Today, will allow you to quickly go back to today. Over here on the right, we have the search button, support button, and the settings menu. And here we can toggle through your preferred way of viewing. So you can either just see today's schedule, the week schedule, which was my preference, the entire month, the year, a schedule of your day's events, or 4 days. And 4 days is totally customizable. If you want it to be 3 days or 2 days, you can set that in the settings. Let's go back to the week. And on the right here, we've got extra apps and add-ons, but we won't go through that in this video. So the main bulk of the calendar is here. This is where you add your events, and you can scroll up and down. And the important thing to note up here is where you write down all day events. For example, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day, and I'm in Thailand at the moment. So you can see this big blue bar here. And when this is helpful is when you're looking at it in month view. You can easily see the all-day events and the ones that span across multiple days. But let's go back to the week view. So that's a bit about the interface on Google Calendar. The time zones here are on the left. And what's cool about Google Calendar is that you can change your time zone and create your events in the time zone that you're in, but no matter where you are, everyone sees it in their own time zone. So this is really helpful with travel plans, and it makes it easier to create events for people that are all around the world. And another good thing about Google Calendar is it's fully compliant with other calendar devices out there. So it doesn't matter if you use iCal on your Mac or Outlook as well. You can create an event in Google Calendar and then send it to somebody else's calendar, and it will all be in the same standardized format for calendar. And before we go into the next video, I encourage you to download the Google Calendar app. It'll look like this in the App Store, the little icon, and that will also allow your calendar on your computer to sync down with your phone or your iPad as well. So that's a bit about getting started with Google Calendar.
If you like this content, please hit subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified when we go live or drop new content on the channel. Now, if you'd like to connect with us, hit us up on social media or join our free community group. All the links to that are right below this video. If you'd like to learn more about Google Workspace and the technology ecosystem, you can join our free Genius Academy by transferring your billing across to itGenius. Or you can join a Workspace Basics Bootcamp. Now, if you're a business owner and you're interested in an audit on your technology stack or your Workspace account, or you're looking to do a project in the tech world, well, you can take advantage of our free consultation. And if you need help right now, then consider joining Concierge or taking up a quick fix with our team for professional support for your tech stack.